All right. So there's been some changes to the Facebook app. So inside of our platform, you might get a green dot up here and it's still not there. What I recommend you doing is coming down here to settings, going to integrations and checking that connection. Make sure your page is listed right here. If it is not listed right here and this is blank, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to say remove. That'll remove it completely out. You're going to click on connect Facebook. It's going to ask you and say if you want to reconnect if you've ever connected to the platform before. The next thing it'll do is it'll ask you some permissions, maybe, or it might drop you right in. But you should be able to select which account belongs to you that you want to post to. That'll be your default account and be able to connect to Facebook. This is a quick fix to be able to get out there and be able to do it. Remember, when you're doing your posts, it takes just as amount of time to be able to do a post to Google and Facebook with our platform as when you come in here, you can now create a post and you can have it go to both networks. This is going to broaden your horizon for the local SEO spot. It's going to make it to where you can get found by more local customers. So hopefully this helps you and be able to get you back on track if you're currently having an issue with Facebook and it not wanting to work correctly. Thanks again. My name is Rob. I'm one of the co-founders here at simplybefound.com. Bye-bye.